Okay, share this video. Now, man, if someone was gonna alone at this Facebook or Ibezie. I'm not like people those who will claim that they are not interested in a particular matter, but they will keep running and beating around the bush. You gotta go move with Ezuga, you gotta go. Now, based on Ife concerning the Uber guy, your testimony. Not even testimony, because he has not yet shared this testimony. An encounter with Evangelist Kobe last 2 Sundays. So the guy came out and cleared the air. Even after clearing the air, this one is not hidden. This one is there. In fact, he was even talking in the comment section of only post here. So that he's not hidden. Now, I have done my due diligence on that particular matter. I have gone even far than people can even imagine in that particular matter. And I've gotten a lot of facts. I made some videos where I clarify some things even before that guy came out. I can't just be talking because I want to say something. Now, I'm now happy that at least we could agree go with every single thing that guy put. But the only place or agree is I took my time to watch the video. But honestly, all I wanted to hear was just one thing. What do you do now? At the end, he valuable said people giving goods to clear. He didn't explain well, but I'm guessing maybe he's into clearing and forwarding, which I've already said a long time ago. That's only my assumption, not what he clearly stated. Now, let's look at the inconsistencies in his testimony. He said last year, I was an Uber driver. My customers no longer call me. But wait, do Uber drivers really have customers? An Uber driver doesn't need personal customers to get orders. When the app is on, requests will keep coming. Now, if truly you are asking this question to get answers and not to be mischievous, let me give you that answer you are looking for. Yes. 1, that guy has been into clearing and forwarding before. Yes. That guy into clearing and forwarding before. Then along the line, or has he with customers? Along the line, or has he with customers? It is clear. There are people who know him. He's not somebody to hidden. Yes, that guy has been into clearing and forwarding before. Have you asked yourself how he managed to buy that particular land? Face me, I face you. I'm talking to you based on first-hand information. When face me, I face you. Which he broke. Yes, which he broke by the advice of his pastor to start building this particular one on. Have you asked yourself, do you know where he bought that land? Do you know when he bought that land? Do you know that guy bought that land about 4 or 5 years ago? Do you know that's when he bought that land? Now, he was into clearing and forwarding until he or has him with customers. That's when he started driving Kolope on Anya, from Enya Kolope, Onyawa Uber. Yes, Onyawa Uber. And to clear your doubt, yes, to clear your doubt, the call on Agwalo received na February was a call for connection back into the same clearing and forwarding on made before. And currently now, he's a clearing and forwarding agent. So if you have your container, you can call him. Like you said you have a container that is coming. Call him and give him that work. If he fails to deliver on that job, that's when you are going to know that you people should stop creating things out of honor. I've made videos based on my findings. Yes, based on my findings. Make your own connection na port na Tican Island they pay me. Make your own. I'm sure before you tell people, please watch out for this guy. People will tell you, yes, this guy on our wall here. You gotta go. He's into clearing and forwarding right now. And he's finishing his house. It is not a hidden story. Yes. Do you want me to release the address of his house for you so that you can go there? Don't even go inside that house. Pagaria na street, yeah. Pagaria around the bar. Please, can you people tell me about this guy, Evangelist Godwin? They are going to clear your doubt. Where is testimony with verifiable address and the testimony that we can verify? There are more testimonies in Zion that is not coming to Facebook. I'm telling you, there are even more testimonies that will blow your mind and Donna Zion that is not coming to Facebook. Imana you use a whole program I mean Facebook where you go about testimony because there are thousands of them. Yes. Also, everything about Godwin is not hidden. Or somebody people who marry or former if you go around his area. Yes. So I want you to tell me another doubt in you so that I can get. I know some people ask questions, and when they ask questions, they are not expecting to answers. It is not the answer that they are looking for, but they just want to be mischievous with that answer. So now that I have cleared your doubt that Godwin is into clearing and forwarding, can you now give him that job, Bishop? He will do it and deliver it clearly. Yes. Last night, somebody who knows Godwin, yes, people before, called me on phone last night. I spoke with him for more than 30 minutes. He was telling me even more things I need to know about that same guy. That no more anything that guy will say. If any no kuru wezuku, no my ofuma. No makudumbo the guy acquire that. So gauge that place. He told me a lot of things about him. So, my brother, the area you stop your hatred against Zion, you know, none of us has ever analyzed testimonies in adoration. And don't think we cannot do that in a mischievous way if you want to start playing games the way you are playing. None of us, I repeat, I keep saying it, I've never analyzed any video of adoration, including the spiritual director of that ministry. I have not. The video I posted the other day about where I can analyze it clearly. So many videos I can analyze it. You know, I didn't analyze the video. My word on it. Analyze the child on it. Analyze it in a deceptive ways, just like you always do. Stay away from Zion, brother. You are too small. You are too small to talk about Zion or to get into Zion matters. The grace in on at that ministry, we are crushing. I'm telling you, you may not understand what I'm telling you. You may not understand. I want you to dig deeper into Zion ministry. You will understand that the grace that is working in that ministry. I'm telling you. I know more things that even people know online. On my own, I found out myself. And you think in a more ways you go. I can just stand and be saying this. My brother, do very careful. Do very, very careful. Look at how you have, look at the page God Ijuena a mepesi people anya before. The moment you start being mischievous, it like a page it is not still not telling you that you are walking in the wrong direction. Look at how I know when I came. I know how active you were. I know how lively your page is. Look at you. Look at this page. You lost your voice. I have told you this before. Go and bring back that voice. You did it thinking that you are doing something right. You are doing something right. But people are always there to see the truth. No matter even where you are trying to make it to look like Okwase, you will also onya patarona onye noro mgbe Godwin post na under comment section onye post maka Godwin aha at first. Oweje post na ife ukorokwo na anya bumbu somebody there thinking that not sure you damage against Godwin. We say need betray your pastor, confirming that no was in that church. Yana pastor confirming that no was in that church. 1, 2. Then before somebody will go kolokwe, confirming that indeed now the guy in that kolokwe. What I go. So confirming indeed now the guy near that kolokwe. Not the grace of former pastor here, go 2 houses, confirming that indeed now the guy will a house. Confirming that the guy will the house at all. Can you 2 houses? Face me, I face you, don't the guy go okuliri before what I go. What you will still hear stories about Godwin. Godwin is not hidden. What I go. Godwin is not hidden. If I were confirmed, there is nothing mushi na this one. What I go. Nothing mushiistic na this one. Opo enyegongo answer. Yes. He was into clearing and forwarding. Go and ask questions. You have his picture. Go and do your research. He not into clearing and forwarding before. Or has the way customers. That is into in our Makorokwe from Korokwe to Ifa before God reinstated him back into his previous position. Opido weta wall. He gotta go. So share container she go doing all by here. All but here. Be a guy. All deliver half year will be a guy. He gotta go. This is Ezugo. Even never we kwamaho ibezie. Ikwamaho ibezie. Ahama abanda mba, hama abanda mba. But every onwekwa n'ife ha merudu mwe pụtara kwuo na odumma. Why must you always be at the ogo na controversy? Pụta ka analyze here. And why analyzing it? You are analyzing it maliciously. Then you want people to. You don't want to talk about it. And I'm better with style. I want to talk about it, and I will address you when you say something where goes well. Share this video. This is Ezugo. Don't play. Days of falsehood that go over. We sign this thing, and that's why I'm because it is the only thing that appeal to my conscience. Man or wulu kwasi we to gidonya aka edosha. E what go? Man or wulu kwasi to gidonya aka edosha. Ekwuye maka your spiritual director say you don't know what you are doing to yourself. Je check ndeni ne kwagolu Elijah Enugu mgba. This. Anụrụ m ife ị na-ekwu. E what go? Anụrụ m ife unu na-ekwu. He who live in glass houses don't throw stone. Itu okute atuchigakwa okute back to your own house. E what go? And onye tụrụ nwere ike miss ya mana atụrụ nke gị ọgbari ya. E what go? So share this video. Ọ bụrụ na answer ka ọ na-achọ gwana ya na Ezugo enye gị answer. Then ka i wait for another analysis here. Share this video. Daalụ.